Title: How to use Perplexity Pages to dominate research and content creation. Ever wasted hours researching something online, only to end up with 50 open tabs and no clear answer? Yeah, me too. That's why Perplexity Pages is a game changer. It takes the chaos of research and turns it into a clean, shareable, AI-powered knowledge hub. No more digging through fluff, no more wasted time. Just high-quality, structured info at your fingertips. Here's the deal. Perplexity Pages is like having a personal AI researcher that not only finds the best info for you, but also organizes it into a polished, easy-to-share page. Think of it as Google on steroids. A research assistant who never sleeps. A content machine that turns raw data into gold. You ask a question, it gathers the most relevant sources, and boom, you get a structured, well-sourced page of insights that looks like a pro-level research doc. But that's just the start. Here's where things get really interesting. 3 genius ways to use Perplexity Pages. Instantly create authority content. Want to look like an expert without spending days researching? Perplexity Pages lets you compile expert-level insights in minutes. Whether you're writing a blog post, newsletter, or even a video script like this one, you can pull in top-tier sources, structure the info, and have a ready-to-go knowledge hub without the usual grind. Let's say you're in finance and want to write about how to survive a market crash. Instead of Googling for hours, clicking through endless blog posts, wondering if the info is even legit, you just ask Perplexity, and it spits out a fact-checked, structured page with expert insights. You can even add your YouTube video about the topic and publish it in Perplexity. Now, instead of Googling better, you produce faster. That's leverage. Turbocharge your research without the fluff. Ever felt like most search results are just SEO-stuffed garbage? Same. With Perplexity Pages, you skip the fluff and get straight to the gold. Need to compare different strategies? Easy. Want to fact-check something before you put your name on it? No problem. It pulls from credible sources, organizes them, and lays it out like a pro researcher did the work for you. Let's say you're prepping for a podcast episode on AI's impact on jobs. Instead of scrolling through a sea of outdated articles, biased takes, and useless opinions, you get summarized insights from the latest studies. Key takeaways without the fluff. Sources linked so you can double-check the facts. This isn't just faster, it's smarter. Build a knowledge hub that works for you. Here's where things go next level. What if instead of hoarding research in random Google Docs, you had a public or private library of insights, ready whenever you need it? Writers, store research for future articles. Business owners, build a resource hub for your team. Creators, organize deep dives on topics your audience loves. Let's say you're a fitness coach creating content on nutrition. Instead of rewriting the same things over and over, you build a Perplexity page once on, say, the science of fat loss, and share it every time someone asks. More credibility, less effort. That's leverage. Why this matters? Look, information is everywhere. What wins today is clarity. Most people are stuck in information overload, drowning in low-quality content. The ones who stand out? They're the ones who can quickly gather, structure, and share valuable insights. And Perplexity Pages makes that stupidly easy. Now here's the question. How are you going to use it? Drop a comment, let's talk. And if this video saved you even 10 minutes of research time, hit that like button. Better yet, share it with someone who needs this. I'll be dropping more AI hacks like this, so if you want to stay ahead, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.